Hi, Manny here, serial entrepreneur and creator of Startup to Scale Up Academy. In this video, I'm going to share with you some hacks of how to design a sales demo that is optimized for conversion. That is, a demo designed for your customers to buy faster. Success usually lies in 80% preparation and 20% execution. Similarly, when you are selling during a demo, 80% of that is about designing the demo in the right way before the call. Demos with highest conversion rates are usually short, to the point, and where seller let the customer do most of the talking. So don't give your tour of your product, log in here, click there, open this. Instead, first ask the customer what is their biggest challenges, and then just focus on those. Show them only the main aspect of the specific features that are directly about these challenges. And don't forget to explicitly say that this feature solves that problem that you mentioned. I can't tell you how many times I've been on a demo where the salesperson just talks and talks and talks. Instead, have a pre-built list of questions and let the customer talk. Your job is to guide the conversation and identify the key problems they have. Once you know their key problem, now it's time for you to decide if your product is the right solution. If it's not, be honest. And instead of just keep pushing, be a helper, suggest the right path. Remember, the second best answer in sales is no. Of course, yes is the best answer, but when it's not a good fit, either you will end up spending a lot of time with them, time you should be spending with customers that are better fit with your product, or they actually sign up. They will be a nightmare for you to support and they will soon churn anyway, giving wrong signals to all your team and investors alike. For the ones that are good fit, you want to pre-design one wow moment. A few years ago, a salesperson from Close.io, a CRM company, was giving me a demo. He realizes that my main challenge was to sync all my messages in reference to my leads. At some point during the demo, he asked my email ID, and in just a couple of minutes, he set up my account, which automatically pulled all the messages, synced them, and that was the wow moment for me, as any other CRM at that time wasn't able to show that. Think about how you can create that wow moment during your demos. What is the biggest challenge your customer have that is not solved by any of your competitors? How can you show, not tell, your solution in their specific cases? Now that you understand the challenges of your potential customers, you ask the right question, you show them the right features, and created the wow effect. As you're wrapping up your demo, you really want to avoid a situation where the next step is not clear, where a customer says, "Thank you, it was interesting, let us come back to you." You want to lead them through a sales process that is most comfortable for them. So, for this, you have to prepare a second set of questions to know how their company buy product like yours. You need to ask something like, "Hey, generally, what's the process in buying a product looks like for you?" Or, "What department might be involved to decide about this?" They might mention things that are very unexpected, like being an approved supplier or legal or something else. You want to take each demo as an opportunity to learn more about your customers while gaining right information to lead them through the buying process. At last, we come to call to action. What's the next step? You don't want to end this call by client saying, "Okay, send me more information." At the same time, you want to test if they're serious about buying or just taking quotes so they can negotiate a better deal with their existing supplier, for example. The best and the easiest way to test this is to give them some homework, something that needs little effort from their side. It can be set up a call with another department, or it can be creating and sending you a document with some use case or specifications. At the end, schedule a call right away. You schedule the next call right away based on the expected time this prospect might need to complete the homework. I hope this gave you some insight to prepare for your next demo. I regularly share practical sales tips for SaaS startup, so be sure to like and follow. Wish you happy scaling.